Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how to use AI text to video option. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the Vidnoz AI website, and after going there, what we have to do, we have to create our account, and after account creation, simply we have to go to the option which is called AI tools options. As you can see, the AI tools options are here. Now simply we have to open this option. So I'm going to click on this, and it will be opened in a new window. We don't want this window here. Now let's move to this option. So as you can see, has the full video generator and the video clip generator. Now you have to choose that which one you want to do. If you want to create a video clip, you can also do that. If you want to generate a full video generator, you can also do that. So I'm going to use a full video generator. Now simply we have to provide the command here. For example, I'm going to provide the command here like make a video on AI. So as you can see, I have provided a simple one sentence command. Now what we have to do, as you can see, you have to choose like the background music, no BGM, relaxing, and subtitles. I'm going to make it hide, voiceover enable, yes enable, and use any gender. You have to choose that, for example, male or the female. I'm going to choose the female. Any voice, you can choose the clear American voice. And then simply you just have to click on the generate video. And after clicking on the generate video, it will analyze your all prompt, all commands, and after that your video will be created. It can take few seconds or few minutes in generating your video. It's up to your internet speed and the device configuration, and after that you will get the faster result. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can make a text to AI video on the Windows AI website. So see you guys in the next video.